Alright, so we bought this Akrapovic exhaust for this 2017 Yamaha XSR900. We're gonna be taking off this big bulky thing. It's a full system exhaust, so headers, muffler, everything. Should sound a lot better. We'll give you guys clips of before and after, cold start and everything. Installation looks pretty easy. Some bolts here and then O2 sensor and a couple stuff right here. So we'll get this swapped out and then let you guys know how it sounds. Acid rush, bro. Oh, heck no. Not this when you want me to tap in. Oh, you got it. Perks of having a new bike. Oh, it's hot.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
I think I stripped it.
Nah, it's just really
Rusty.
it's just brand new.
Get some light in there.
Why is the exhaust so dirty?
One, two, three, four, five, six. Break them loose and just use the gun. Good job.
Size 12. 6 what nuts?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 6 rods.
Easy work.
Okay. Now, pull this.
Oh, that one right there, right? That big fat one. Was that like a size 12?
It started to
Oh
come
yeah,
loose.
that's it. That's so easy. Ready? Hold the bottom. Nah, there's a bolt up here or something.
Oh, there's bolts.
Yeah, on your side.
The heck?
One more bolt on the other side.
I didn't even say anything about that.
Manual.
I forgot about this bolt.
12.
One more on the other side. Yep, 12.
All 12s. Alright, pull it off. There we go. Easy peasy. Look at that big boy. What the heck? It's a 3-cylinder?
There's 25 pounds.
Alright, let's start it. Start it like this.
Open headers. Test drive.
Sorry, sir. And that one's like a 3-piece.
Quite ugly muffler.
Put that one on now. Alright, so the new exhaust comes with this bracket. You have to put it in first before you put the exhaust in. You gotta remove this one, right?
You gotta
And this
loosen
one.
loosen this, and remove these two nuts. This bolt and this nut. This bracket comes out. Freaking.
So the exhaust like sticks out higher?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, the new bracket goes right here, and it secures that muffler.
Alright, get to it. It's 12?
Tight in there.
Alright,
You should. That's the one.
bust it.
That's the one we got.
19 for the swing arm. Loosen it. That's good.
One more. Okay, now.
12. There you go. So it's kind of hard to put the gaskets back in. The way we found easiest is you thread it on and then you slide the circle gaskets back in over the top and then tighten it down. We got all the gaskets in right now. We're just tightening it down.
One more gasket.
And you slide the gasket in. Like that. And then tighten it down. Dang, bro, the blue and gold already looks pretty sick.
Ready?
Yeah, dude, the old exhaust looked so bad. It was like rusty. It looks nice.
Am I on it?
You good, you good. Now I'll put in the loop-to-loop. This one's just held on by springs. It's pretty sick. So it's supposed to come with a little clip that you mount right here, but it didn't come with it, so we just took the nut off of the old exhaust and we're gonna put it on the nut and bolt. Just like that. So a little modification.
Okay. Just like that.
Put that bracket in. You have to remove this spacer. Put that new bracket in. Tighten her up. It's getting cold in here. See your breath.
Take some more tighten that real quick.
$500 per pound worked.
600.
That one was tighter than the other one. A little 12. Got 2 springs, one on the top here, one on the bottom. Akrapovic.
Too tight.
Even the springs are labeled. Akrapovic. Got the O2 sensor on.
Way too loud.
Start it up, open headers. No muffler. This last piece we gotta put on. And then we're done. 1 bolt, 2 clamp or springs.
Should we remove the baffle?
Carbon fiber.
Oh, here's a screw you can remove the baffle.
Nah, do it with the baffle first, and then take it out.
Alright.
Other side. Akrapovic.
These freaking. Wait. Tight. Oh yeah, she's falling off.
Here, put the clamp on,
She's
idiots.
falling off. Oh, sorry.
Carbon fiber. Why does it look so funky?
I don't know. It's a big fat muffler.
It looks like a,
Couldn't find it though.
it's like sticking out. We got the exhaust fully installed. I'll give you guys some Insta360 shots, some driving experience, so you can really hear how it sounds while you're riding.